you can actually send your websites to, of course, Google directories as well as other search engine directories as well. Okay, but there are so many free services out there that help you submit your website to many directories. Okay, you can do a search there and just pilih lah salah satu. So I'll show you some of the sites that help you to do that. Okay, the reasons why we need to do this is for our websites to get indexed by the major search engines, okay, particularly Google, and also other search engines as well. Okay, so let me share you the screen. Okay, so kalau this apa tu kat sini auto website submission directories. Okay, so you have something like this. Maybe you can click whichever link here. Okay, so maybe you kalau awak klik kat sini pun this is okay. So here it lists all the submission directories, link building directories for SEO. Okay, this is good for link building as well. So kalau you go to here, you can this is some of the all free things. Okay, free PR web directories. So awak boleh pilih lah yang mana-mana high rank page directories. Let's say you want to use this one, high rank directories. Click here. Okay. So these are what we call directories tadi. Submit to directories, as well as submit to. Kalau submit to, I think for this case, this is all directories. Kalau untuk search engine itu, it's better you do it whether through webmasters. Some of the service here allows you to submit to search engine as well. Let me check kalau ada kat sini. Okay, saya tunggu tak apa juga lah. This one, please. Okay, all these are directories, so you can choose any of these directories. Okay, this will help your off-page SEO as well. Okay, let's say yours is related to business and economy. You just click there, right? Okay, submit link here. So this is how you can submit link here. Submit link. Okay, so then what you do is this is not free kan, the regular links here, and then put your title, your URL, descriptions, your keywords, okay, descriptions, your name, your email, your category, and you just then agree. You just click continue, and you can submit to these directories. Okay, so these directories will help you in your off-page SEO. Okay, so to submit to search engine, so it's better for you to use a Google Webmasters. Let me check whether there are also previously there are many services out there that help you to submit to search engine. Submit site to search engine. Maybe orang dah tukar. A lot of changes have been happening. Let me check whether they are. Okay, ini Google Console. How to submit. Google Console ni sama lah yang macam kita akan buat ni. Dia akan sama kat sini. Inilah submit a sitemap, right? This is kita akan buat nanti. Saya akan tunjuk. Okay. Okay. Okay, saya rasa dah tak ada service, that kind of service. Previously there are so many out there, free submit. Yeah. Free website administration submit express. Oh, I think this is the tool that I use sebelum ni, if not mistaken. Submit page, main page, home, submit express. Okay. Baca kat sini dia kata, okay. Our submission script will submit your website URL to 70 plus top search engine for free, including Google. Okay, I think this is a good, yeah, previously we used this one, submitexpress.com. Okay, submitexpress.com. You go there, then you can submit your websites to all the search engine. Okay, and the robots of the search engine will crawl your website, then they will index it. Okay, so sekarang kalau awak nak tahu, if you want to know whether your website has been indexed by Google, okay, and you should make sure that your website is at least indexed by Google. Bila awak hantar by 21st January 2021. I mean, when you submit your final report, okay, as well as the presentation, you have to make sure that your website is already indexed by Google. Okay, this is one of the ways how you can do that. Okay, besides using the Google Webmasters, okay, submitting your sitemap and so on, you actually can use this service as well. Okay, submitexpress.com. Okay. Nak tahu awak punya di index ke tak, awak just type kat sini lah. That means the best is just to type your URL lah. Macam saya buat tisa uum.com. Okay, tisauum.com, uum.com ataupun tisa uum sajalah. uum. Tisa uum. So yang ni kita punya Instagram, dan ni kita punya Facebook pun dia ada ni, Tisa UUM, ada kat sini. See, tisauum.com. So awak tengok the title that I use for this site, Tisa UM open channel. This is for open channel, apply to UM directly without, ini tak apa bagus dengarlah kan, tapi kalau they want to know more, this is without going through UPU lah. So they just can click that. See, ini Tisa UM open channel serve as a route in which potential students do not have to go to UPU to apply for our contest program. Okay, so nama sini. So that means this website tisauum.com is the one that I'm administering. It's already been indexed by Google. So you have to make sure your website is also indexed by Google. Okay, ini lain kita ada ni tisafun.com, okay, indexed by Google. Instagram tu memanglah kan, kita punya Instagram, kita punya apa ini, kita punya YouTube, semua index by Google. Yang tak index adalah tisa.uum.edu.my. Saya tak tahu apa masalah dengan yang itu, because I'm not the one who actually monitoring that. Okay. Sebab I think yang tisa.uum.edu.my tu dia tak ada berkaitan dengan tak ada buat tak ada buat SEO. That's the problem. Okay, ini YouTube. Okay. Right. So tisauum.com is really indexed by Google. Right. So you have to make sure your website juga macam tu lah. Boleh siapa tetap ada siapa boleh bagi contoh yang website ni dah di-index dari Google? Aiman? Kau awak dah tidur, Aiman? Aiman? Ada ke tak ada ke saya kat seorang-seorang ni? Let me check participant. Faris? Are you there, Faris?
Yes, sir.
Awak punya website ni dah index tak by Google?
Belum, betul. Tapi kalau saya nak search saya punya website, saya kena macam letak nama .com, saya kena letak kat Google search engine tu, biji, baru dia keluar.
Tapi dia keluar lah.
Dia keluar lah. Maksudnya yang tu dah memang dia dah index dah ke?
Dah index lah tu. Dah index tapi dia
Tapi
index
sebab SEO saya tak buat lagi, so dia tak ranking, dia tak ada macam, dia tak kena spesifik baru dia ni.
Ya. Tapi awak tak ada submit apa-apa lagi kan? Submit macam sitemap ke tak lagi kan?
Belum, link apa-apa semua dah.
Okay. So tapi awak dah kata awak dah buat ke use SEO belum lagi?
Belum ke. Sebab dia punya video tu panjang sangat, yang
Okay.
2 jam.
Awak buat yang simple-simple dulu. I mean, you just do the basic one, the title text.
Video tu dia memang macam kompleks lah, macam dia cover semua bahagian lah. Sekali dengan ada yang premium punya features kan.
I see. So maybe you should find a shorter video lah on use kind of macam basic use SEO.
Saya rasa basic sebab dia terlalu menyeluruh waktu kan.
Okay, try to find a basic use SEO, how to set up use SEO. I think the most important thing is for you to set up the title, the title text, the descriptions, kemudian 2-3 benda lain lah. Yang the rest tu kita tak perlu lagi. Okay, then what is important is for you to submit your websites to the search engine. One of the service yang saya tunjuk tadi lah, free submit, submitexpress.com. Okay, you just complete all the information here, the URL, okay, your email, your name, your business phone, country, then dia akan submit lah. I think kat sini dia tunjuk kot what are the websites or and also the directories that they submit to. Okay. Show kat sini, okay, klik kat sini ni. Search engine list and details. Check. Okay ni. Okay, the main engine we submit to, okay, dia submit semua ni lah. Semua ni termasuk awak tengok Google dia kata ada kan? Mana Google? Geto, entire, WhatsApp. Geto, pun banyak yang kita nak dengar kan. Tapi maybe they are very specific lah. Okay, in addition to that, we've listed below in the business. Okay, this is a search engine. Meta crawler, AOL search ada dia akan masuk. Okay. Go to antara yang popular Okay, .file pun popular juga. Info.com. Yes. Okay. So I think it is worth trying lah, or doing all this because awaknya akan disubmit ke sini. Okay, so please do this as soon as possible. This is apart from submit to Google Webmasters lah. Okay, so please do this, submitexpress.com. Do it as soon as possible. Okay, senang saja kan, fill up all the information, just click submit now. Okay, so then your website will be indexed by some or hopefully all of these search engine as well as directories. Okay, this is a better option daripada yang saya tunjuk yang ini kan. Yang ini ataupun yang mana tadi. Jadi Submit Express ni lah. Saya dulu pun guna yang ini. Right, please do that as soon as possible. Kemudian, okay, I'm going to show you how to create Google Analytics. Saya dah bagi tahu untuk create kan, tapi saya tak sure. Ada yang dah create ke Google Analytics account? Tapi dah berjaya create? Tak ada Alright. So, apa yang awak boleh buat? Okay, you go to Google Analytics. You just type Google Analytics ataupun just type kat sini analytics.google.com. Okay. Saya dah create dah sebelum ni. Saya punya account ni. Okay. So, just type Google Analytics.
Kan Google Analytics ni macam kena link dengan ada use ada tunjuk satu part.
Yeah. There are many ways to do that actually. Okay, you can
boleh terus.
Better dia apa-apa pun kalau mau use dan sebagainya. Okay, so you have to open the Google Analytics account first. Okay.